Tired of late fees eating into your savings? Let's conquer your SBI loan payment quickly and easily using Yono SBI. First things first, unlock your phone and locate the Yono SBI app icon. Tap it to open the application. Now, enter your username and password, or use your preferred login method like MPIN or biometric authentication to access your account. Once you're logged in, look for the main menu icon, usually represented by 3 horizontal lines, often located at the top left corner of the screen. Tap on it. A menu will slide out. From this menu, find and select the loans option. Select the loan you want to pay. You'll then see the loan details, including your outstanding balance. Look for a button labeled Pay Now and tap on it. You'll now be presented with payment options. Choose Pay from SBI account if you want to use funds directly from your linked SBI account. Review the payment details carefully, especially the amount you are paying. If everything looks correct, confirm the transaction using your transaction password or OTP. And that's it. You should now see a confirmation message indicating that your loan payment was successful. Save the transaction reference number for your records. Now you are Loan Payment Pro. Like and subscribe to our channel.